So project number one is going to be swap out that stock LED bulb there with this motion sensor 450 lumen that was sent to me from RVLEDlights.com. Gonna get that set up so we can test it tonight to see how well the motion sensor works. There's an adapter, so I'll pull that off, rewire this in, goop it up, make sure it's sealed, and then we should be good. All right, so up here I've removed the old lamp here and turned the DC power off. We're gonna splice into the white and black wires here. But the cool part about having this little adapter here, it's gonna cover all the old stuff. Everybody's gonna have this on their RV, so you don't really need to clean it up. You just need to get the wires through here, put this on, and then this one will go right over the adapter and look really clean. This is just a 2-wire. You're gonna have positive and negative that is fused to the battery. So this is probably the easiest swap for LED lights you can do. Yeah, so, and one of the other problems with incandescent bulbs is they get warm. I mean, it has completely melted parts of this plastic housing. So even if you're not going to go with this particular one, try to swap out your incandescents for LEDs. We'll test this out later tonight. So anyway, I've been kind of waiting for a break in the rain to share this outdoor light. It's just not going to happen. So I'm going to show you here as it's getting dark. There it is, finished. It does have the motion sensor on the bottom down there. And like I said, it works with your normal light switch. So I'll show you that real quick. This is my porch light right here. It's a multi-button, so if you turn it on once, it will just turn the light on like any other normal porch. And yeah, I'll show you this at night too. But yeah, that's just normal on all the time, 450 lumens. However, if you come back in, flip it off and back on one more time, you might be able to see a blue flashing light up there. Doesn't do it very often. There it is, a blue LED light flashing. Right now we are in motion sensor mode for night. So if it were dark right now, it would be in motion sensor mode and it would turn on if somebody walked near my RV and then stay on for a minute or two, I think. Yeah. But we'll wait till it gets dark and I'll show you how bright this is. All right, so now that it's getting dark, let's test out this LED light, okay? Just put it into standard mode here. Oh my. It is super, super bright compared to your stock light. Let me actually stand over here so you can see how much it lights up everything. Look at that. That light is like daylight. Well, it's only 450 lumens, but still look. It really lights this place up. My whole campsite is lit up. Nice. I like that. I don't know if there are interchangeable lenses available, so you could put that bug orange light in there instead so you don't attract bugs. Not sure. We'll switch it over to motion sensor view here. Hey Jax, what? Just a second, I'm doing something right now. You can't come outside yet. It's definitely flashing blue, so we'll give it a second to activate and then we'll come around the corner. Not bad, huh? Not bad. This will stay on for another minute. And I forgot to mention, there's also a sensitivity adjustment on there. You can take that lens off and you can adjust the sensitivity in case you got lots of cats or dogs or you don't want squirrels setting it off. I don't know. That's good though. Let's test it as I come outside too. Just curious if the door will set it off or if I have to step outside. Actually, I think the door set it off. Perfect. I like that. Works, right? A friend of mine sent that to me. RVLEDlights.com. You can get yours today. Highly recommend. I'm going to leave mine on this motion sensor all day or all night, every night. Might as well. So forgive me. I've already started this project because I didn't think I was going to film it. I was thinking about just showing a before and after picture and saying it's done, but as it turns out, I am really excited about this. I'm in Lacey, Washington. I have a friend helping me with some carpentry work in here. We're making my dream plan happen in the RV today. And how serious am I about this? A 60-inch TV, LG UHD TV, 60-inch LED smart TV is going to be up in this RV soon. Let me show you what we got going on. I have already removed the curtain base, the blinds, and as I said, I am A-okay with losing one window here. So we built the frame out of 2x2s, and then these 2x4s are already put at the 16-inch on center spot to hold the TV mount that's going to be there, because there is going to be a good 30-35 pounds of a 60-inch TV in this entire area right here. So we're building the box right now, and then we're going to have some half-inch plywood that's going to go over that. But before I get any further and we start putting this together, I do want to put some black fabric on the back. Got some of this in the fabric center of Walmart. That's going to go on the back of it. That way, even though I have tinted windows, you're not going to see wood or any other plywood, cords, or any other material. It's going to look really clean on the outside. The leftover will also go on the front of the piece of plywood there. It's a massive TV, and it's the way to go if you're going full time, you know. So I'll cut back in here when we get a little bit farther into the project here. Of course, over here, still have the recliner facing the old TV. More on that later, because that's still going to be like, I think, a week out or something like that. Right now, we're getting the TV done. And guys, it's just flat out monstrous. Look at my hand. It is a monster TV. Okay, here we can compare it. There's the bedroom TV. There's my new living room TV. Yeah, okay. Let's keep having fun. All right, putting the plywood in and just putting the last screw in over here. The entire base frame in there, it's completely gone through. We made sure we use the right screws and don't go outside the RV fiberglass out there. I put the fabric on outdoors. I'll show you what that looks like, but this is getting ready for, this is our center points in here to hold the TV mount where the 2x4s are. But outside, to put it into perspective, this is the passenger window, and here's the window we're working on. It's just completely blacked out, nothing. You can't see anything. So we're just getting this receiving plate ready for the big TV. We got this all centered. Yes, these are very long lag bolts. Well, we're going to put the washers in still too also. But from bringing this out and building this cabinet, we're not going to even get close to the window or the screen on the other side, and it's going to be beefing it in there to that 2x4 really well. It was tricky finding the position on here for the TV, since the TV is kind of a tight squeeze in here. But we think we have it so that you can still pick it up, lift it up on here, and we'll have clearance about 1.5 inches up here and maybe 1 inch down here before the table. So we'll put these washers in, drill this in, and then we'll do a little placement, see how the TV fits. Alright, so it's the next day. I forgot to film last night. I was enjoying this TV so much. It really fills the space. I did turn my recliner around here in the slide, so I can sit back here like this and recline, and there's my view. Yes, it is huge. It's also kept on, well, you can see like that seat cushion right there and that seat cushion right there. It is a close fit everywhere, but this project, it is amazing. You want to see some 4K? I did sign into YouTube here. I signed into my Netflix and my Amazon Prime, so that I have those three, but eventually I do want to have the coaxial cable running through here. I'll put my PS4 and my PS2 up here, and my NES Classic. But let's look at some 4K here. Our Planet, yeah, this is a good one. Okay, you're not going to be able to tell this on YouTube, but it is just stunningly amazing in 4K. And no more Chromecast issues. I was having the phone have problems with the other TV. It's just... yes! Oh, how about power? This TV right here runs on less power than this 32-inch ran. Seriously, this 32-inch ran on about 6.5 amps. And this 60-inch runs on just 4? Yeah, 4 amps. 4 amps of power on this. And I am still going to keep this TV right here, because this is where my security system, DVR system, will be plugged in, so that I can just flip that on real quick and monitor what's going on outside the RV anytime I want. without having to change the channel on this and stuff. So I still I can't get over how easy that, like, I had a plan, we executed it, I got the supplies, got the TV that I wanted that fits perfectly, and it just went in that easy. That never happens to me, right? So, alright, let's get back on Amazon and see about getting that recliner love seat couch.